boy JB back here with Snare, man. Hey, I got a repair video of my 13-inch Piccolo snare. So a couple of months ago, I had a gig. We had a gig at this local bar that we perform at. And funny story is, the drums were sitting in the back of the pickup truck, the Ram F-150 pickup truck. This was sitting under my 12-inch rack tom. And the driver, which is the bass player, cool friend, didn't know that a speed bump was coming up. So he ended up flying over the speed bump, and Lord behold, I glanced out the mirror, and what flies out? My 13. So that's what brings you to this video today. The thing I have to do is I already off camera, I cleaned the lugs, I cleaned all the things, tension rods, I cleaned the tension rods, and I cleaned all the lugs. And what brings you to this video is both of my rims are warped. So about 5 days ago, me and him end up going up to Guitar Center. I had a little cheap cash on me, and I ordered new rims, and they finally came today. So this is going to be a repair video. Hope y'all enjoy. So what I'm going to do now is take off all the lugs out the drum. Now that we got all the lugs off, we're gonna unwrap all the new rims. Now that we got the rims unpacked, let's put the drum together. So another thing I have to mention, as I went to the Guitar Center the other day, I ordered the Rezo rings, the 13-inch 8-lug Rezo rings, and I told the clerk that I needed a batter side and I needed one Rezo side because I couldn't find the batter side anywhere. So I asked him, can he order me a batter side too and just ship it to my house? Guys, the package just got here. He sent me 2 Rezo sides. So what I'm going to do, I don't feel like returning it. I'm just going to use both Rezo sides. I guess it looks a little cool. So that's what we're going to do. Now that we got all the lugs on, see them beautiful rims. Sorry for the light, I am under a light and it is hot, guys. So now that we got all the lugs on, we're gonna tune this bad boy up. Mention I do like my Rezo side tabletop tight, so that's why I'm going. So now that we got the Rezo side tuned up, I'm gonna put the snares on and then we're gonna do the batter side. Also to mention, if you're ever in a local area and you would like to support the Stone Jam Band, hit me up on all platforms JBB Drumming. That's Instagram at JBB Drumming. Thank you. Now that we got it all tuned up, we can finna listen how it sounds. Overall, I'm in love with it. It's fixed, it got new hoops, and the one thing I love about this drum, of course it's a Piccolo, but it has a lot of resonance and response to it. It's loud, it's snappy, so when you hit it, you know you know. So I normally use this drum as like trap, but I have trap or deep, like country tunes or blues, but I want to start using it for like funky sounds, and I got my 10-inch that I use for trap now, and I'll do another video sometime in the future. But I have my main snare. Hold on, excuse me y'all, I gotta move some things I had on my drum. I have the main snare, then I have my 13. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I am JB the Drummer, and I am signing out.